News in the last 2 hours, the Supreme Court upholding laws that bans transgender girls and women from playing sports on women's teams. The court ruled laws in Idaho and West Virginia do not violate Title IX discrimination laws. More than 24 states, including Florida, have passed transgender sports bans. Also, the Supreme Court delivering a major blow to President Trump, the court blocking his attempt to limit citizenship at birth. 10 Tampa Bay News anchor Caitlin Lockerbie explaining that ruling. Hey, Caitlin.
Hey, Frank. Well, the president issued the executive order on the first day of his second term, and now the highest court in the land is calling it unlawful. The court was divided in its 6-3 vote. 3 conservative justices, Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Neil Gorsuch, dissented from the decision. Trump's order looked to end automatic U.S. citizenship for children born here to parents who are in the country illegally or temporarily. The court relied on the longstanding interpretation of the 14th Amendment, understanding that anyone born in the United States is a U.S. citizen with only limited exceptions. Chief Justice John Roberts calling the citizenship the right to have rights, saying the framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every freeborn person in this land, and we keep that promise today. Now, just within the past hour, we're getting reaction from Governor Ron DeSantis, who says he does not support the Supreme Court's ruling. Here he is speaking at the Villages.
That decision in birthright citizenship means, in effect, unless there's an amendment to the federal Constitution, that you will have birthright citizenship for birth tourists and people coming to the country illegally indefinitely. And so that's a tough one. I don't think that that's the original understanding of it. But what I think it does is, you got to make sure that people on visas can't just come and abuse it. You got to make sure the border remains secure. You got to remain all these different things.
Well, Trump signed the order as part of his immigration agenda, but it never took effect after several lower courts blocked it. Stay with us here on 10 Tampa Bay News throughout the day as we continue to follow reaction. In the studio, I'm Caitlin Lockerbie.